spending just $12 at Dollar Tree quietly transformed an entire backyard into a private sanctuary. And no, this has absolutely nothing to do with bamboo sticks or decorative lattice panels. What you are about to discover will genuinely shift the way you think about outdoor privacy. Welcome, and thanks for being here with Primal Life. If this is your first time joining us, this is exactly the kind of place where we show you that creating a beautiful, secluded outdoor retreat does not require a massive budget. To everyone who keeps coming back, your presence and your engagement mean everything. Your thoughts and suggestions are truly what keeps this going. One small request before we dive in. If even a single idea today sparks something useful for you, go ahead and tap that like button. It genuinely helps others discover these affordable solutions. And if you have not yet hit subscribe, do it now because we show up every single week with fresh content just like this. Now, let us get into it. The first approach involves what can be called a tension rod fabric wall. Spring-loaded tension rods, the kind typically found in the cleaning aisle and originally designed for shower curtains, become something far more interesting when placed outdoors. Position them between fence posts, pergola beams, or any two vertical structures standing in your yard. Then drape outdoor fabric, canvas drop cloths, or even vinyl tablecloths across them. The compression keeps everything firmly in place without requiring a single drilled hole, making this an ideal solution for renters or anyone who prefers not to make permanent changes. You can rotate the fabric with the seasons, leaning into bold patterns during summer and softer, neutral tones as autumn arrives. Because the rods are compressed between two solid anchor points, they hold up remarkably well against wind. For added stability, use 2 rods per fabric panel, one positioned at the top and one at the bottom, creating a taut, smooth surface that resists flapping. When winter arrives or you simply want to change, removing the entire setup takes only a couple of seconds, leaving behind no damage and no regrets. The full cost for an 8-foot section lands somewhere between $4 and $6, depending on how much fabric you choose. The second idea might initially make you raise an eyebrow, but stay with it. A pool noodle trellis screen. Yes, those foam tubes children bring to the swimming pool. Dollar Tree carries them in multiple colors throughout the year. Cut them into equal segments. Thread wooden dowels or thin PVC pipes through the hollow centers and stack them either vertically or horizontally to construct a lightweight, colorful screen. The foam resists the elements naturally, arrives in virtually every shade imaginable, and produces a clean, geometric aesthetic that most people assume came with a significant price tag. Thread climbing plants such as morning glories or sweet peas through the open spaces, and you have effectively built a living wall that simultaneously blocks outside views while welcoming greenery. The foam also shields delicate plants from harsh gusts, and the entire structure remains light enough to relocate freely around the yard. Alternating colors or cutting the noodles at varied lengths introduces staggered, layered visual rhythm. Each noodle costs $1, and a solid-sized panel requires roughly 12 to 15 of them. Add a few dollars for the dowels, and a 4x6-foot screen comes in at $8 to $10 total, while weighing almost nothing. The third solution revolves around command hooks used as the backbone of a hanging garden. Outdoor-rated versions adhere firmly to smooth surfaces, including fence boards, exterior siding, and metal posts. Arrange them in a grid across your existing fence or exterior wall, then suspend potted plants using S-hooks or macrame hangers. Plants fill the visual gaps while bringing movement and color to otherwise dull surfaces. Vary the plant heights and textures deliberately, placing trailing ivy or cascading vines at the upper level, lush ferns or fuller foliage plants through the middle, and compact herbs or flowering varieties at the base. This layered composition interrupts sightlines without producing the oppressive feel of a solid wall. Command hooks are available in multi-packs at Dollar Tree, and the simple plastic pots with drainage holes cost $1 each. Source clearance plants from any nearby garden center, and the price per hanging pot drops to roughly $2 or $3. A grid of 15 to 20 plants delivers substantial visual coverage for under $40 in total. The real advantage here is flexibility. The entire arrangement can be reconfigured at any moment without permanent holes or damage to rental surfaces, giving you complete creative freedom to swap seasonal plants, adjust the layout, or expand the coverage as your needs evolve. If these ideas are resonating with you, leave a comment below and share which one you plan to tackle first. And if subscribing is still on your to-do list, now is the moment. 6 more privacy approaches are still ahead, and the final one on this list is probably the most unexpected thing you will encounter today. The 4th concept draws inspiration from an older era, the rope and bead curtain. Packages of wooden beads from the craft section and basic rope or twine in various colors are all that is needed. Thread the beads onto measured lengths of rope, leaving intentional gaps between each one for visual rhythm. Then hang the completed strands closely together from a horizontal support, such as a deck railing, pergola beam, or a sturdy overhead branch. The gentle movement created when a breeze passes through produces a quietly hypnotic effect, and the density of the strands blocks outside views without fully sealing off the space. Stain or paint the beads to suit your outdoor aesthetic, whether that means warm, natural wood tones for a bohemian atmosphere, vivid colors for a more playful energy, or a single monochrome palette for refined sophistication. Each strand requires only about 10 minutes to assemble. Build 20 or 30 and you have a complete curtain wall. The soft clicking of beads in the wind introduces a wind chime-like quality that adds genuine atmosphere to the space. Total material cost for a 6-foot wide curtain runs between $12 and $15. The strands can be tied at varying heights for a cascading organic silhouette or kept perfectly even for cleaner lines. When heavier storms approach in autumn, gather everything into a storage bin and bring it back out when the weather softens. The 5th idea repurposes foam poster boards as the foundation for a modular living wall. Rather than using them for school projects, these lightweight sheets serve as the base, cut small X-shaped slits across each board's surface. Then tuck air plants, succulents, small potted specimens, or realistic artificial greenery securely into the openings. The foam grips everything firmly while remaining light enough to lean against a fence or hang from hooks with ease. Multiple boards can be connected for wider coverage. Painting the foam before adding plants. Deep green evokes a lush, jungle-like atmosphere. Black delivers dramatic contrast, and white creates a minimalist gallery wall quality. Air plants demand almost no maintenance, and succulents actively thrive on neglect, making both excellent choices for this application. In shadier spots, or for those who prefer zero upkeep, the realistic artificial stems available at Dollar Tree slot directly into the slits without effort. Mixing spiky forms alongside rounded ones and trailing varieties beside upright growth adds 3-dimensional depth that blocks views while generating genuine visual interest. Each board costs $1. Plants or artificial stems run $1 to $2 a piece, and a 3-board panel with complete planting coverage comes in around $20 to $25 while spanning approximately 6 linear feet. The 6th method involves basket weave walls constructed from flat plastic or woven baskets found in the organization aisle. Turned sideways and secured, the range of colors and weave patterns makes it possible to create deliberate design combinations by alternating styles. Dimensional quality. Shifting shadows. This approach works especially well for concealing chain link fences or breathing life into flat wooden privacy fences that feel monotonous. Full coverage and checkerboard patterns are both achievable depending on your preference. The plastic resin material resists fading well, while woven varieties develop a pleasant, weathered character over time. Individual baskets run between $1 and $1.50. An 8-foot fence section requires 20 to 30 baskets depending on overlap preference, placing total cost between $25 and $35. Solo installation takes roughly an hour, and the zip tie attachment method allows for effortless removal or reconfiguration whenever the mood strikes. The 7th approach is one of the most unexpected. the mirror illusion panel. Adhesive mirror tiles from Dollar Tree's home section perform a quiet visual trick. Mount them onto a backing board or directly onto fence sections. Reflective surfaces return whatever stands in front of them. Encounters a reflection rather than a clear line of sight. This works with particular power in compact yards, where conventional privacy screens risk making everything feel enclosed and heavy. The mirrors persuade the eye into reading greater depth and openness than actually exists. A grid arrangement delivers a modern architectural quality, while a scattered placement produces something closer to an art installation. Combining mirror tiles with painted panels, the one consideration worth noting is avoiding placements that would reflect direct sunlight toward neighboring windows. But in most applications, these tiles introduce a boutique garden quality that appears professionally curated. Packs contain multiple pieces, and even a generous installation runs only $15 to $20. The adhesive backing requires no tools at all. Peel, press, and it is done. The eighth idea is genuinely unexpected. Wire cooling racks repurposed as vertical garden panels. Originally designed for baking, these grid-patterned racks secure 2 or 3 together using zip ties to assemble a larger panel. The open grid structure provides ideal support for climbing plants, including clematis, jasmine. The grid can also accommodate small hanging planters, woven fabric strips for additional coverage. Airflow and light pass freely through the wire construction. Paint the racks to suit your aesthetic. Matte black for industrial character, white for cottage garden warmth. Each rack costs $1, and 6 to 8 racks assemble into a privacy panel. Configure them tall and narrow, short and wide, or angle 2 sections to create a corner screen. Total investment sits at $6 to $8 plus plants, anchoring them with a few hooks. The ninth solution uses outdoor-rated or heavy-duty vinyl shower curtains in a way that proves seriously underappreciated for yard privacy. Engineered to handle moisture, string a wire or rope between 2 fixed points, add curtain rings, and hang the panels exactly as you would inside a bathroom. The weight of the material prevents excessive movement in the breeze, and the water-resistant fabric weathers rain and morning dew without degrading. Solid colors deliver maximum privacy, while frosted or semi-transparent options allow diffused light to filter through. Patterns and printed designs add distinctive personality to the space. This method excels at creating temporary privacy screens around hot tubs, defining separate zones across larger patio areas, coverage to be adjusted on demand. Individual curtains cost $3 to $5, a pack of curtain rings runs $1, and the wire or rope adds a couple more. A 10-foot span comes together for roughly $8 to $12. The 10th and final idea may be the most creatively satisfying use of Dollar Tree materials on this entire list. Decorative placemats, whether made from bamboo, woven paper, or vinyl, and available in an enormous range of colors and textures, can be attached to existing fencing or a freestanding frame using zip ties or outdoor adhesive. Overlapping the edges slightly produces a cohesive, textured wall that reads as intentional. Natural bamboo for tropical warmth, metallic finishes for contemporary elegance. Mixing and matching different patterns. The material performs well outdoors because most placemats are engineered to be wipeable and water-resistant by design. Rain causes no damage, and color retention holds up better than expected with extended outdoor exposure. Each placemat costs between $1 and $1.50. An 8-foot fence section requires approximately 30 to 40 mats, depending on size and overlap, bringing the total to somewhere between $35 and $50 for complete coverage. Begin at one corner and work steadily across, securing each mat with a few zip ties. The project fits comfortably into a single afternoon and consistently turns weathered or uninspiring fencing into something that draws genuine admiration from visitors. And there it is, 10 genuinely achievable privacy solutions that protect your outdoor space without touching your savings. The real power of these approaches lies in how naturally they combine with one another. Pair the tension rod fabric wall with a collection of hanging plants. Layer a placemat fence behind a pool noodle trellis. It can be expressive, full of color, and entirely personal to your vision. If this content added something useful to your day, hit the like button and leave a comment letting us know which idea you are most eager to bring to life. Hearing how you all interpret and adapt these concepts for your own spaces is genuinely one of the best parts of doing this. And if you have not yet subscribed to Primal Life, now is the time, because budget-conscious outdoor content arrives every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.